stop in and say hi here in the close-up. So, what I was testing is, as you guys can see here, the colors are gorgeous, of course, and they blended absolutely stunning. But you can see all of the layers in the depth here. And what I used was my Behr 8300. And you guys might be aware a lot of people are trying this translucent base coat with Floetrol. And I thought, okay, well, I seen how they were doing it and the milky look that it had, which is very similar to the milky look of the 8300 high gloss enamel. So I made that really thin. I put nothing in it. It has like 2 squirts of titanium white. And look how absolutely stunning that looks underneath. All of the layers. Very simplistic design. And so when you guys see me go in and make all those nice curvy motions, there's a method to the madness. I know I'm going to lose the design, especially with the consistency, but I also know that it adds a lot of movement and lines and flow to the piece. This is a gorgeous way to get a beautiful marbling effect. I think this is absolutely stunning. And how the colors just blended so very softly and elegantly. And you can see the thin layers underneath. It is a high gloss enamel, but super thin. It really does work as somewhat of a translucent base. And it just really works well. This is gorgeous marbling. Like, that would make a stunning countertop. Or put it on any surface. But I will be, when I get into resin, guys, and I've been saying that for about a year, I will be doing a glass marble table. And I can't wait to do it. Cool little effects there. But the shimmer and the colors and the flow, especially like from here up, just stunning marbling. Stunning. Love it. Anyways, guys, please comment and let me know what you think. I absolutely love this. Super simple. I usually use the flip cup to get marbling effects. You can use it. I've done open cups as well. Different ways, but you know, there's all kinds of different variations and patterns and designs in marble stone. And so I kind of like to play around a little bit with the different techniques just to see, but I will see you all in the next pour.